Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Part. The objective of making this video is to inform you about a technique that helps you to increase not only the speed but performance of your machine. So let's start. First step is to know about the installed physical RAM in your system. For this purpose you write system information and then enter. So a window is open in front of you which tells you about the hardware data that installed in your machine. So let's see here. Install physical memory RAM 6 GB. So we get the information about the physical install RAM in your machine. So close this one, and next step you are going to press a shortcut key, window key plus I. Then a setting window is open in front of you. So there are many options available on this window. So you require to click on the first one, system. Then another window is open in front of you. This window is split into two parts, basically three parts. On left hand side there are many tabs, and in the middle section you will get the information about the different features of the tab available on the left hand side, and further there is a right hand side panel, very right corner of the window. There are more features that you can avail as per your requirement. So in next step you are going to select the about option, which is available at the bottom of the panel of left hand side. Click on this. So you will get all information and more information about tab on the right panel of this window. So now in the next step you are going to click on advanced system settings. As you click, a small window is open in front of you with the label system properties. So you see different small tabs: computer name, hardware, advanced system protection, remote. You have to select advanced. Automatically this will be selected by default. So in next tab you need to click on settings. After settings, another window of performance option open in front of you. So you need to select advanced. Advanced option, there is a tab change. Click on this button change. This is a uncheck this first option automatically and select the custom size. After custom size you need to calculate the page filing size. Actually page filing size is the space that available on your hard disk, not on RAM. So this is a option that you are going to be select by navigation between RAM space and hardware space. So how many size you are allocated for paging file size, we are going to calculate by a simple formula. So I am going to open the calculation app. So how much GB is with us? 6 into how many MBs in 1 GB? 1024. Then multiply by 1.5. You can multiply by 2 up to maximum 3, but it is better to be multiplied by 1.5 and then equal. So 9216 is your required paging file size. You need to be insert there. So I am going to be insert here 9200 and maximum 9200. So after that you click on and then OK. The changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. So after that, when you click on this OK button and apply and OK and OK, and finally he is asking to restart. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will restart it later. Thanks for watching us.